Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to activate voice control in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here we have to pick the shooting methods. And now at the second place we can see the voice commands with short information from the device that this allows us to take the pictures by saying, for example, smile, cheese, capture, shoot, and record videos by saying record video. By using the button from the right we can turn it on and off as we need. So for now let me keep it turned on, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use this to show you how it works, and let me try to take a picture without touching the screen by saying, for example, smile. And as you can see, the photo was taken, so this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.